Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your eBay listing promotions using promoted listings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your eBay listing promotions using promoted listings, start by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Settings section in your account menu. Select Promotions from the drop-down options. In the Promotions Manager, you'll see all your current promotions. Locate the promotional campaign you want to update. Click on the campaign name to view its details. Review the performance metrics to understand how it's been doing. To edit the promotion, select the Edit button. You can adjust the ad rate percentage to increase or decrease visibility. Consider changing the promoted listings to focus on specific items. To select new listings, scroll to the section with your current promotions. Deselect any items you no longer wish to promote. Then, browse through your active listings and select new ones to include. Once you've made your selections, check for any additional settings you might want to adjust. Verify the budget and duration of the promotional campaign. After making all adjustments, review your changes carefully. When you're ready, click Save to apply the updates. Your updated promotions will now reflect in your eBay listings. Keep an eye on the performance of your updated promotions regularly. Adjust them as necessary to optimize your visibility on eBay. This method will help increase your sales and improve listing performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.